Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this BMW R1250 RTLE, registered the 31st of March 2022 on a 22 plate with only 2,862 miles. Presented in triple black and benefiting from BMW service history, the R1250 RTLE comes from a great stable, and it was always going to be a tough task to improve from the R1200, but BMW did just that. Now there's more of everything: lolloping low-down power, a chunkier mid-range, and the kind of savage top-end kick that leaves you asking whether this really is a humble boxer twin. This RT1250 LE benefits from genuine BMW 3-box color-coded luggage with integrated brake light, additional LED spotlights, electric screen, heated grips plus heated seat, gear shift assist pro, central locking, keyless ignition and easy-to-read and navigate TFT display, smartphone connectivity and navigation using the BMW Motorrad app. 3 rider modes: hill start control, cruise control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring and chrome exhaust. This is just waiting to be snapped up and taken on a touring holiday. This superb example comes serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.